Hi everyone, welcome back again. And today we are making homemade vanilla ice cream in a jar. Our ingredients will be a 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Being that I'm doing 2 jars, I got one for each jar. 1/4 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/4 cup of sugar. So what we'll do is we'll carefully, without making a mess, pour this in. This one, and now this one. Hey, did no mess that time. Alright, now 1/4 cup of milk. Quarter cup of milk. 1/4 cup of sugar. Another 1/4 cup of sugar. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And again, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. All right. Now, let's put the lids on. And let's shake this, both of them, for about 30 seconds. Good arm exercise, right? Alright, now, and that's it. All we gotta do now is put this in the freezer for a few hours, 3 or 4 hours, until it's frozen. And when it is, we'll pull it out and we'll give it a try. See if this TikTok video recipe is any good. Alright, we'll be back in a little bit, guys. Bye. Alright guys, we're back, and our vanilla ice cream in a jar is done. Alright, let's give it the long awaited taste. Look at that. Looks pretty good. Looks like ice cream. There's the test. Let's give it a taste. Not bad. Actually, very good. Kind of tastes like a custard vanilla ice cream. Very good for a TikTok recipe. Definitely, guys, give this one a thumbs up for a TikTok recipe. It's very good. And it's a great alternative if you can't get to the store to get vanilla ice cream. It's a good way to have ice cream in your house if you want it bad enough. Alright, everyone. This is good. Alright everyone, have a good day, and I hope you like this video, and like always, please give us a like, and please subscribe so we can bring you some more content. Alright, have a good day everyone, bye.